Hello, ladies and gents. Today we are going to take a look at the problem and solution text structure. Now, before our big ice break, where we were all frozen for about 2 weeks, and I'm so glad to see everybody back again, we went over compare and contrast as well as cause and effect text structures. Now, problem and solution is just a little bit different. So let's take a look. Problem and solution text structure. Sometimes an author will want to explain a problem and then show one or more solutions. This kind of text structure is called problem and solution. An example of problem and solution. Heavy rains can cause flooding in small streams. For weather forecasters and local authorities, this flooding can be difficult to predict. Fortunately, the United States Geological Survey, USGS, has more than 7,000 stream gauges that measure water flow. These stream gauges help scientists to monitor water levels and good and bad weather. So it measures how high the water goes. Then they can predict when there are going to be floods and they can help people stay safe. All right. So what is the problem in this paragraph? If you said the flooding can be difficult to predict, you are correct. Now, it's very interesting because sometimes problem and solution can sound a little bit like cause and effect, because I see a cause here, heavy rains, and I see an effect, cause flooding. Okay, but that's not what it is. And our key words here, the flooding can be difficult. There's a problem, something is difficult to predict. Now, what is the solution in this paragraph? The solution is right here. The United States Geological Survey has more than 7,000 stream gauges that measure water flow. So they've put those stream gauges out there. They measure the water flow when it rains, when it doesn't rain, and then they know, well, if we're expecting this much rain, we know that there will be this much water in the stream. So it measures the fluctuations there or the changes. All right. Often authors will signal problems and solution structure with clue words like problem and solution, or some of their synonyms. Synonyms for problem include difficulty, struggle, uncertainty, worry, threat, trouble, challenge. So if you see any of those words, it's your clue that it's probably problem and solution text structure. Or the synonyms for solution, possibility, hope, a bright spot, answer, future, any of those kinds of synonyms can trigger that it is a problem and solution text. Now, can you find the problem and solution in this paragraph? Brown marmorated stink bugs have caused many problems since they were accidentally introduced to North America. They damage fruit, bother people, and harm crops. Scientists are trying to find a solution. One promising possibility is a species of wasp that originally comes from Asia. This wasp is a predator of stink bugs. Scientists hope that this wasp could solve the stink bug problem. Now, a predator means it eats the stink bugs. So that would be good to eat them and get rid of some of them at least. What is the problem? Right. If you said that those brown marmorated stink bugs damage fruit, bother people, and harm crops, that is the problem. What is the solution? You're right. If you said one promising possibility is that wasp that will come and eat up the stink bugs because it's a predator of the stink bugs, that would be the solution. So these are some of the text structures we've gone over so far. We have not gone over chronological order yet. That's coming up. But we have gone over compare and contrast when we talked about Abe Lincoln and George Washington. We looked at cause and effect and problem and solution. So you should be adding all of these to your informational text brochure that you will be making. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen, and we will see you later.